Hi, it's Porsche Centre Dublin. Presented today this 2019 Porsche Cayman T model. This Cayman T was originally sold new from here and is finished in silver metallic with contrasting leather and cloth sport seats. PDK transmission, navigation module, sport chrono package, including the all-important mode switch, complemented by sports exhaust system and active suspension management. This Cayman T is also with BOSE Surround Sound, folding mirrors, .20-inch wheels finished in titanium grey with the clear lenses. Should you wish to take a closer look at this Cayman T, please contact Porsche Centre Dublin on 01 235 3375. Thank you.